Hello, my dear student and my dear friends. How are you all? I hope so that you all are good. As you know that I am Puneet and my channel is basically based on posting of motivational videos and posting of videos in relation with history, civics of world and of India. Dear friends and dear students, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much, all my well wishers. Stay blessed, everyone. Dear student and dear friends, as you know that I have already posted so many videos in my YouTube channel, and if you talk about the first war of independence, with regard to the first war of independence 1857, I have already posted so many videos, and I think so they are helping you a lot. On your demand only, here in this video I am here again, and here I will be discussing about the immediate cause for the first war of independence 1857. Yes, on your demand, immediate cause with regard to the first war of independence 1857. Dear student and dear friends, let's start our work. Now, in 1856, please listen to me carefully. In 1856, British authorities in India decided to replace the old-fashioned musket called the Brown Bess by the new Enfield rifle. Yes, by the new Enfield rifle. Maybe you are thinking, what was wrong in that? Here we are talking about the immediate cause, then what was wrong in that? Enfield rifle. Listen to me carefully, please. Dear students and dear friends, actually, in January 1857, a rumor spread in the Bengal regiment that the cartridges, the grease cartridges that were to be used in that new Enfield rifle were made up of fat of cow and pig. Yes, they were made up of fat of cow and pig. What happened next? The soldiers, they went against it. They went against it because they took it as interference in their custom and tradition. As we know that cow is sacred to Hindus and pig is a taboo to Muslims, and this new introduction of Enfield rifle was not acceptable by these soldiers at all. They went against the British rule, and on Feb 26, 1857, on Feb 26, 1857, the 19th, please listen to me carefully, the 19th Native Infantry at Behrampur in Bengal decided not to use these grease cartridges because it was against their custom and tradition. The whole regiment was disbanded. The regiment was disbanded as a warning to others also. Now, after that, what happened? A Hindu Brahmin soldier named Mangal Pandey. Yes, here we are talking about the next thing. What happened next? The Mangal Pandey, a sepoy, a soldier at 34th Bengal Native Infantry at Barakpur, on behalf of his soldiers, sepoys, asked the British authorities to put the ban on that Enfield rifle, and in that move he attacked on the British officers. Although after that Mangal Pandey was executed, but my dear friends and my dear students, this was not the end. This was actually the beginning. This was the rising. This was the beginning of First War of Independence 1857 against the British people, because after that the sepoys, the soldiers all over the areas, they went against the British rule, they went against the British system, and they started the war. And this was the immediate cause for the First War of Independence. I think so you all have understood. My aim is to help you out, and here I am feeling very happy that many of you are understanding all these important topics. Again, I'll come back again with more information, with more videos for you all. As you know that my aim is to help you out. Stay blessed everyone. God bless you all. Stay at home. Give respect to everyone. Give respect to your nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. 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 Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.